Miracle knots have been all up and down my algorithm, and I can see why. Really easy to install, but like super gorgeous. Let's get into it. I'm starting with freshly washed, freshly blow dried, pre-sectioned hair because I like to stay organized. I don't know what you girlies like to do. That's the way I like to roll. I'm taking this So Slick braid gel, and I need this with my life to be able to grip because I cannot grip otherwise. For my hairline, I do things a little different. This is more feed-ins here, so because the hair is so fine, I don't want to it needs a little bit of bulk, okay? It just needs a little bit of thickness. So I'm adding some hair and then braiding down and then just leaving some pieces out. So that way I don't need to crochet them into this really fine piece of hair. Again, if you're doing a protective style, you want to make sure that you're maintaining the health of your hair. And if your hair is fine along the edges, you just want to give it a little extra strength. So you can see here, I'm adding some pieces in and then just, So this is me doing basically the top and then just the edges here in that method. I'm going to show you how I did the rest of my hair. So here is where I'm doing it the more, I guess, miracle knot method. So I'm just braiding my hair down, and then once I get to about mid-length, I'm gonna add one of the crochet pieces so that way my ends are nice and curly. I've seen some people just braid their hair all the way down and then just crochet it in, but I like this method too, just so that way you have the nice curly end. And then in the middle of the braid is where I'm gonna crochet in one piece, and I only pull one piece through all the way, and I'm gonna tie it like a normal knot, but I'm not doing it really tight because I don't wanna do anything really, really tight. It'll stay, it'll hold, it'll stay. Boom. So let me show you the top. I just go through the top, and then I'm gonna feed another piece through, and then this time I'm actually gonna feed the end through that loop. And that's how I do my crochet normally. I'm a loop girl because I don't have to cut it out. I can just unbraid and everything comes out. So once all your braids are done, you're gonna wanna rehydrate and get the curl pattern forms back again. I'm taking just a little water and leave-in conditioner, nothing crazy. I don't wanna super soak it either. And I'm gonna take some air dry cream from Bumble and Bumble because it's gonna give it moisture, but also like a really nice light touchable hold, essentially. So I'll scrunch it in and then I will finish the other side. But it came out so pretty. The hair is so soft. It's so soft. I also toned it, so let me know if you want a toner video. But here's the final results. This is it, completely dry. It's so pretty. I love this color for the spring. Going into, kind of a warmer, it's hot in Phoenix, 100 degrees. So it's just, I feel like it's pretty for that time of year. I also love how versatile, so obviously with braids you can do half up, half down. There's so many different styles you can do. I love having little pieces in the front, I think is really pretty. You can also do your hair in a high pony with little pieces in the front, because that's pretty too. Like, look how cute. And then obviously you can do a high bun. But I love how versatile it is and how much access it gets to the scalp. So let me know what you think in the comments. Love you guys, bye.